When your car starts blowing black smoke, and your gas mileage drops so fast it feels like you have a hole in your tank, you are likely dealing with a P0134 trouble code. This code is a direct warning that your front oxygen sensor on bank 1 has stopped talking to the powertrain control module, or PCM, essentially becoming a dead weight in your exhaust system. Normally, the PCM provides a baseline voltage of about 450 millivolts to the sensor's signal circuit. When the engine is cold, the sensor's internal resistance is high, but as it gets blasted by hot exhaust, that resistance drops and the sensor starts producing its own voltage based on how much oxygen is floating around in the pipes. If the computer notices that it has been more than 60 seconds since you started the car, and that voltage is still stuck between 391 and 491 millivolts, it realizes the sensor is inactive, or the circuit is open and throws that check engine light on your dash. You might feel the engine missing or stuttering while you are waiting at a red light, because the computer is just guessing how much fuel to spray without any feedback from the exhaust. While the most common fix is just replacing that old, tired oxygen sensor, you should always check the simple things first. Take a look under the car for any rusted-out exhaust pipes or holes that might be letting fresh air in near the sensor. And definitely check your fuse box for a blown heater circuit fuse. Sometimes the wiring gets frayed or broken because it is sitting so close to the high heat of the engine. If the wiring is solid and the fuses are good, then swapping out the sensor is your best bet to stop that black smoke and get your engine running smooth again without wasting every drop of fuel.